Have you ever wondered why dogs are called man's best friend? In the next few seconds, you'll learn why having a dog can transform your life. Dogs are great for your mental health. Their unconditional love reduces stress and anxiety. Dogs encourage physical activity. Daily walks keep you fit and active. They provide companionship. You'll never feel lonely with a dog around. Dogs improve social interactions. They make it easier to meet new people. Dogs teach responsibility. Caring for them makes you more disciplined. They are excellent protectors. Your dog will always have your back. Having a dog can add joy and purpose to your life. Hit the like button if you found this useful.